Guys, welcome to CT Money. Today I'll be showing you step-by-step process of adding your payment method to Google AdSense, either to get paid by Google AdSense itself or by YouTube. So make sure you watch this video to the end, follow the steps I'll be showing you. And again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make use of the comment section if you have any question for me, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications to all so that you'll be the first to get notified each time I upload a new video. If you haven't joined my WhatsApp community, the link will be in the description of this video. And again, guys, if you adding your payment method, make sure it's domiciliary account, make sure it's a dollar account that you're adding. Don't go and add any other currency. Make sure, because you're going to be paid in dollars, not in local currencies, so make sure you add your dollar account. So guys, let me go ahead and share my screen with you, show you the steps you have to follow to add your payment method. So guys, to add your payment method, once you open your Google AdSense account, this is how the interface, the page looks like. So you see this menu section here, just tap on it, then go to your payment info. So once you click on it, it will be like this. You see payment account, AdSense Nigeria. So if you link to your website to AdSense account, you're going to see it like this, and you see the payment the money you've made from your website. But if you're a YouTuber, you're not going to be making use of this section. So what you should do, tap here that it says payment account AdSense, just tap on it, then switch to YouTube. You see the next one is YouTube, so switch to YouTube. So once you switch to YouTube, you're going to see the amount you've made from YouTube, and once you've make up to $10 from YouTube, they will give you the option for you to add payment method. You can see here now, add payment method. So for you to add it, just tap on it, then the first one you should choose, the payment method you should choose is this add new wire transfer details. So click on it, then they're going to bring the options for you to put in your information. So the first one is beneficiary ID. This is optional, so I'm going to skip it. The next one is name on the bank account, so I'll just put in the name on the bank account. So Nweke Ifunanya Eric. So the next one is bank name, so it's United Bank of Africa. So United Bank of Africa, so UBA. So then the next one is Swift code. So for you to get your Swift code, guys, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. Use it to search for your Swift code. So now let me go over to the link and show you how you can search for your Swift code. So let me go over to the link. Let me go over to the link here. I will leave the link in the description of this video. So the website is wise.com. So I will leave the link in the description. So if you come here, you can search the Swift code of any country. So here I'll just select my country, Nigeria. So I'll just select it. Then the next one, select bank. So I'll just type in the bank, United Bank for Africa. So United Bank for Africa. Then here I'll select the city, Lagos. So now I'll click on find Swift code. So you see it brought this Swift code for the bank. So I'll just click on copy and go back to my Google AdSense. So let me go back to my Google AdSense. So United Bank for Africa. So here I'll just paste in my Swift code. Then the next is your account number. So let me put in my account number 2283582325. So this is my account number, so I'm going to retype it, 2283582325. So this is my account number. Then the next part is for you to click on save, guys. Just click on save. So it's loading. So guys, as you can see, my payment method has been added. That's the way to add your payment method to your Google AdSense. Very simple, guys. Now that you've seen the steps to follow to add your payment method to Google AdSense and get paid. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and make use of the comment section if you have any question for me, and I'm going to answer you immediately I see your question. Thank you, and see you in my next video.